Module 2, Gathering Information, Person-Centered Care Focus, Clients with Complex Communication Needs. This module's special needs population focuses on clients that have complex communication needs. These may be clients who have difficulty understanding English, they may have hearing loss, or they may have speech or language disorders. In this video, we will talk about communicating with this population in light of the principles of compassionate care, DIPPS. In Module 1, we talked about the 5 principles of compassionate care. DIPPS: dignity, independence, preferences, privacy, and safety. Chapter 39 of Mosby's Canadian textbook for the support worker addresses how to provide compassionate care as you communicate with clients who have speech and language disorders. Dignity. Showing respect, warmth, and compassion are important ways to promote dignity. Never talk about a client as if the person were not present. Address questions for and comments about the client to the client, not to others who are present. Some people with language disorders are embarrassed to speak in front of others, especially strangers. So do not force a client to talk in front of others. Independence. People with speech and language disorders must gain, regain, or maintain independence and control. Support, encouragement, and patience are important. Never show impatience, frustration, or worry when a client is having problems speaking or understanding. Do not talk down to the client. Preferences. Limit the number of choices to help the client express preferences without difficulty. Be encouraging and supportive. A useful tip is to write down the available choices beforehand so the client can pick one easily. Privacy. Keep information about your client confidential. Remember your role and relationship with the client at all times. Be professional in your communication. Learn to be comfortable with silence. Do not feel that you need to talk when the client is silent. Safety. Take extra time to explain procedures. Do not explain all the steps at once. Explain the step just before you do it. Avoid medical terms. Speak clearly and slowly. Be alert for signs the client has not understood you. Listen again to these principles. This time, think about clients who may struggle with speaking or understanding English, or who may be hard of hearing. What do you think? Are the principles relevant for those groups as well?